children. I welcome you to the English class of E-Prayas, BU Sonpur. Children, you like to listen story? So today we shall discuss about a story. Now I am showing you a picture. See the picture. What are you seeing at? You are seeing a cat here. A cat is sitting. Where is it sitting? It is sitting in front of a mouse hole. So why the cat is sitting in front of a mouse hole? When we will discuss the story, we can learn that why the cat is sitting near the mouse hole. Okay, children? Then let's start the story. There was a cat and there was a mouse. There was a cat and there was a mouse. One day the cat felt very hungry. दिने कौन हला बिलेई को बहुत भूख होता. So भूख होने से कौन करती वो? He wanted to eat the mouse, but the mouse was inside her hole. मुसाटी कौन थिला? मुसाटी गातो भीतरे थिला. So he thought, what shall I do to make the mouse to come out of her hole? An idea came to his mind. ता भीतर कोटे बुद्धि आसला. He went very close to the mouse hole and said, Sister Mouse, what are you doing inside the hole? तुम कौन करजो गातो भीतरे? Come out and see how nice the weather is. I have no time. I am cooking my food, replied the mouse, knowing well the intention of the cat. बिले कहला, मु जाई परिबे नहीं, मु रांधुची. मु बाहर को जाई परिबे नहीं. एठारे बिराड़ीर उद्देश्य कौन थो बिले कहला? निश्चित भावे बिराड़ीर उद्देश्य मूसा को खाइबो. Can I cook food for you, Sister Mouse? asked the cat. मु तुम ପାଇଁ ରାନ୍ଧିପାରିବି କି? No thanks. I will cook my food myself. मु खाद्य निजे रांधि परिबि. मूसा कहला, I will cook my food myself. Coolly replied the mouse. Children, मु भाବୁची तुम निश्चित भाव रे गपटी को बुझी परथबो. देखिबा तुम केते बुझीछो. Who are there in the story? There is a cat and there is a mouse in the story. Who wanted to eat the mouse? The cat wanted to eat the mouse. Why? Because he was hungry. Why could not the cat eat the mouse? The cat could not eat because the mouse was inside the hole. What did the mouse think? The mouse thought, if I go out, then the cat will eat me. Pilamane, will the mouse come out? Let us read the next paragraph, whether the rat came out of the hole or not. Let's listen. The cat tried again and said, Sister Mouse, your house is very nice. कौन कहला? तुम घरटा बहुत सुंदर. Who made this house for you? ए घरटा तुम किए तैयारी करछि? I have made it myself. Proudly replied the mouse. जेतेबेले बिलेई मूसा को कहला तुम घरटा बहुत भलो अछि. मूसा गर्व रे फुली उठला. Sister Mouse, your door is also very nice. Who made this door for you? asked the cat. ए कबाटटा बहुत सुंदर अछि. तुम पे किए तैयारी करछि? पिलाने एठारे बिराड़ी काहे कि मूसा को प्रशंसा करू जानिछ? बिराड़ी मूसा को प्रशंसा करबा द्वारा होयतो मूसा गातरो बाहरी जाय पारे. तेनु से मूसा को बारंबार प्रशंसा करूची. I have made the door myself, replied the mouse. Your windows are also very nice. Who made these windows for you? asked the cat again. The cat repeatedly asking and praising the mouse, and the mouse is also replying very proudly. I have made the windows myself, very proudly replied the mouse. But the mouse was still inside her hole. The cat failed to catch her. The cat failed to catch her. So the cat made the final attempt. Final attempt? शेष चेष्टा से करुची किए बिलेई शेष चेष्टा करुची सिस्टर माउस you have made your house yourself, you have made your door yourself, you have made your windows yourself, you are really great mouse. Can I open your nice door, sister mouse? ମୁଁ ତମର କବାଟଟା ଖୋଲି ପାରିବି? This time the mouse had swelled up like a balloon with pride. This time the mouse had swelled up like a balloon with pride. पिला माने balloon देखि जा balloon कोन फुकी देले कोन होए balloon फुली जाए. So this time the mouse had swelled up like a balloon with pride. से गर्व रे पूरा फुली उठिला. ये तो बारंबार बिलेइटी ताकू प्रशंसा करूची से गर्व रे फुली उठिला. And she therefore said, I shall open my nice door myself. मु निजे ही मोर कबाट को खोली देबी. Saying so, she came out opening her door herself. से कहला मु निजे ही कबाट खोली देबी एवं से कबाट खोली के बाहर को बाहर आस्थिला. Children, now you say इटी कोन हेतिबो बिले सेतेले कोन करथिबो? The cat caught the mouse and ran away. The cat caught the mouse and ran away. Children, निश्चित भाव तुम ये गपटी को बुझी पार यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड द स्टोरी. सो लेट मी आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस. हु आस्क्ड मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इन द स्टोरी? द कैट और द माउस? द कैट आस्क्ड most of the question in the story. Who praised whom? The cat praised the mouse. Why did the cat praise the mouse? The cat praised the mouse to excite the mouse to come out of their hole, of its hole. How did the mouse feel about it? The mouse felt very proud. The mouse felt very proud. Why? Because the cat praised it. So children, you must have understood the story. And now let's explain some new words for you. Intention. Intention. Intention, that means plan. Uddeshya. Attempt. Attempt. Try to do. Try to do means chesta. Swelled up with pride, felt very proud. Felt very proud. गर्भरे खुली उठला. So children, next word is weather. Weather means pago. Pago, you know, khara pago, barsa pago, shitwa pago. So children, let's have a trial how much you have understood the story. The cat called the mouse because he wanted to play with her, eat her, give her a gift, sing with her. The answer is eat her. Next, the mouse did not come out of her hole because she knew the cat's intention very well. She was busy cooking, her door did not open, and she was busy dancing. She knew the cat's intention very well. Third, dash opened the door of the mouse house. The squirrel, the cat, the mouse, the cat and the mouse. Answer is the mouse. Children, I hope you understood the story better. Next, we'll go to the follow-up lesson as a part of the main lesson. Look at page 44 in your book. The title of the story is The Myself Baby. The Myself Baby. It's a conversation. It's a conversation between a mom and her baby. Just listen, looking at your book. Shall I brush your teeth, baby? No, mom. I shall brush my teeth myself. Can I feed you, my baby? No, mom. I shall feed myself. Can I wash your face, my baby? No, thanks, mom. I shall wash my face myself. Can I dress you, baby? No, thanks, mom. I shall dress up myself. Can I help you put on your shoes, baby? No, thanks, mom. I shall put on my shoes myself. Can I comb your hair, baby? No, thanks, mom. I shall comb my hair myself. Can I box your ear, baby? No, thanks. I shall box my ear myself. Oh, no. You enjoyed the story, children? Certainly, you have enjoyed. So, let's ask me some questions. As I have told you earlier that it is a conversation between mom and her baby. So, why the title of this conversation is written as The Myself Baby? As the word myself is used time and again in the conversation. That's why the title of the story is The Myself Baby. Why does the child say no? The child say no because he does not want her mother to help him in his job. Which I in the poem? Which I in the poem? The baby himself is I in the poem. Who is you in the line 7 of the poem? In line 7, no, I dress you, baby. Here you also used for the baby. What action words do you find in the poem? Do you know action words? Action words. Action words. You can also say this word as verb. So what are the verbs used here? The verbs are brush, feed, wash, dress, help, put on, comb, box. These are the verbs used here. These are the action words used here in this part of conversation. So now can you say the body parts you find in the poem? The body parts. What are the body parts used in this conversation? The body parts are teeth, face and ear. Teeth, face and ear are the body parts used here in this part. Now children, we'll go to the comprehension questions. Why is the title of the text The Myself Baby? As I have told you earlier that the word myself is used time and again in the conversation. That's why the title of the text is The Myself Baby. Why does the child say no? Because he doesn't want his mother to help him in his job. Which I in the poem? The baby himself is eye in the pond. And the body part, already I have told you, teeth, face and ear are used in this story. So children, you got the story, you got the question answer. So please have a look at the story and write all the question answers. Have a good day. Thank you.